This brand is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a Johnson Controls company. They are made in America and sold in the USA through Hamilton Home Products and the Home Depot. The units use slotted panel construction, which is cheaper but does not protect the condenser coil, as well as brands that use louvered panel construction. The 14SAC model is a basic unit that uses microchannel construction, which results in a more compact unit. They have an efficiency rating of up to 14 SEER but are relatively loud when compared to other brands. The unit has a durable powder-coated finish, but the guarantee is not as good as other brands. The units are sold with the line set and evaporator coil that has a factory-installed thermal expansion valve for refrigerant control. The units use R410, a refrigerant which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32, but they are backed by a decent guarantee. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.